A thunderstorm warning for northwestern McPherson and eastern Rice counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. At 3:10 p.m., a train spotter reported a tornado 2 miles southwest of Iowa in Sumner County. Brief tornado touchdown, but has since lifted. Rotation is still seen. At 3:19 p.m., a train spotter reported a tornado 2 miles. National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southern Sedgwick County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Clearwater, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. You can expect a damaging tornado and golf ball-size hail. The tornado was confirmed by spotters. At least 2 tornadoes have touched down with this storm. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Significant damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Extensive tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include downtown Wichita, Goddard, Hayesville, Wichita Mid-Continent Airport, West Wichita, South Wichita, Mace, McConnell Air Force Base, East Wichita, Northeast Wichita, Oaklawn, Bel-Air, and Jabbar Airport. This includes the Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 39 and 54. This includes Interstate 135 between mile markers 0 and 13. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.